First one is an AI tool called Respell. It's an AI automation tool where you can do things. Like one example is for content creation, you always have the problem of repurposing. So what this tool does is I can just drag and drop the audio clip of my show into a folder, and then in about a minute or 2 or 3, I get YouTube descriptions, social posts, blog posts. The second tool I love is Perplexity. It is literally replaced Google search for me. And then the third tool is in ChatGPT, but go to a custom GPT and build yourself what I like to call a business copilot. Feed it in your data, feed it in what your business does, and it now is your essential business advisor for anything you do, from business development, how to create new tools you need for your business.